15 of the UK's leading aid charities agencies have launched a joint fundraising appeal to prevent a catastrophe in Afghanistan where up to a million children face starvation. Drought, war, COVID, and international sanctions against the Taliban regime have pitched the country of 40 millions into economic and humanitarian collapse. The Disaster Emergency Committee (DEC) Afghanistan Crisis Appeal will raise funds for member charities including the International Rescue Committee UK, British Red Cross, Save the Children and CAFOD. The United Nations estimates more than half of the country cannot feed themselves. Children are the worst affected, with more than 3 millions malnourished and 1.1 millions at risk of dying. The Disaster Emergency Committee acts as an umbrella for collective appeals by British charities to tackle the most severe humanitarian crises. Saleh Saeed, Disaster Emergency Committee Chief Executive, said people are starving in Afghanistan. 8 million people are on the brink of famine. Children are dying today, and 1 million more under the age of 5 are at risk of dying in the coming months. Viewers ad group say the Taliban victory over Ashraf Ghani government has largely ended the war and given them better across the country than ever before. However, there is only a brief window of time to get food to remote areas before they are cut off by snow. Viewers, the UK government has said it will match public donations to the appeal up to a maximum of £10 million as the humanitarian agencies present across the country. What we are doing today is sounding the alarm bell. Viewers, there is no longer about making things better. This is about saving lives and being able to reach those who most need it in time before the winter set in and before it's too late. That is why every single penny of this appeal counts. The generosity that is shown will be put to best use by all the partners on the ground at a critical times.